Hello guys, it's B-Box here and this is my first video. We're going to be doing how to make slime. So first I have my glue in the bowl here. You can use borax and water in a mixture, but I'm just going to use contact solution. So open it and pour, I would say just so it's kind of around the whole area, and then stop. And then you can also put baking soda. You put very little amounts in, because you don't want it to be too stretchy where it just breaks in half, because that happens a lot to me. So maybe about this is good. Get it in. And then if you would like to, you can also put dye in. Today I'm going to use blue dye. And I would say for this amount of slime at least, just put a couple of drops in. That'll make it much better. So now we have a couple of drops, our contact solution, baking soda, and our glue in the bowl. Now just get a regular spoon, preferably metal and not plastic, because it will be harder. Get your spoon and mix it up. As you can see, it's getting much blue and it's starting to kind of firm together. Just keep mixing it for a little bit. Okay guys, we're back. After mixing it for 2 to 3 minutes, you will see it will start to come. And like me, if you don't have enough baking soda or contact solution, get a little bit more in and put some contact solution. And as it's thickening up, this is just a choice, but just to make it much more fluffy, you can put some shaving cream in, just like a towel about there. It will get bigger, so you don't want to put too much in. So now just keep stirring until it's ready. Okay guys, we're back and I mixed it up for about 5 minutes. You can now see that it's starting to thicken up when you stir it. It's definitely thicker. So what I would do now, if you would not like no more baking soda, because that would just make it break apart, I would just put a little bit more contact solution in, and that will make it less sticky. And you shouldn't touch it with your hands yet. You can put a little poke, but it will be sticky. So just keep mixing it up for 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see here, and it will definitely start thickening up. Okay guys, we're back, and now I mixed it up for another 3 minutes, put a little bit more contact solution in, and it will be sticky, but I used it with my hands. Just keep kneading it, and I only take a little bit out at a time, because the whole thing is really sticky and it will just stick everywhere and everything will get ruined. So I would just say take a little bit at a time, just keep kneading it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure if it doesn't stick to your hand and it's nice and moist, that's when you know it's ready. So you can either just keep doing this, or once you're done kneading it, you can then just poke it in with the other slime recipe or the same recipe that you're making, and you can just keep dipping it in basically until everything is ready, and you can then put it in a container. So I'll do that here. Okay guys, so we're back. I have my slime that is nice. It's not sticky, very stretchy, and it's nice and soft. So you can get one of these containers at like the dollar store. It doesn't matter if it's this like cube-like or if it's just a sphere, but you can just put it in. I would suggest leaving it overnight just to get it situated, because it'll be much better, and then you can just put the lid on and it will be good the next day, and you can show all of your friends. Bye.